Hello everybody, another fan video. Bought this one off eBay. Love the color. 2-speed. Front grille has no broken slats. The back just has these up two. The only thing I was disappointed about this fan is the blades, the center hub. You can tell somebody was trying to take them off, and of course they were broken and glued together in the back, so I re-glued everything. I don't understand why Lakewood went with these blades. I mean, I like the way they look and everything, but they should have made them easily to come off. So, like, even on the oscillating fans, they have this similar design. It seems like the plastic always gets really dried out and brittle and stuck on the shaft. When you go to take them off, you bust them. So if these end up busting to the point where I can't glue them back together, I'll end up just putting a metal blade set on. But I really like these. This is the whole reason why I bought the fan, was for a fan with this set of blades set on it. Turn it around, try and get startup noise. Same motor that's in the oscillators. It actually puts out a pretty good amount of air. Nice pitch. Low. All in all, the fan's in pretty good shape. Got a nice low speed. Spin down fairly decent. Too bad there was no information. The model number, the sticker's gone in the bottom of the box, so I don't even know what model number this is. I took the motor apart and oiled it, and as you can see, we got a really good spin down on that. All the information I have is it says Inspector 50. Not too much rust in there. Looks like it could be ready for a stand. But here you have it, another little 12-inch Lakewood box fan.